Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another review. And today, our portfolio was in the green. As you can see, my portfolio is at $8,966, almost 9,000. And up today, it was up 7.25%, $601.39. And after hours, it is up 0.76%, which is $67.34. In the past week, I'm down 5.31%, which is $503.12. Past month, down 71.52%, guys. $22,514.24 down. Past 3 months, down 45.94%, which is $7,618.33. The past year, I'm down 8.33%. And today, we were up pretty nicely, even though I believe that the Dow and the S&P are both down a lot, 900 points for the down, to 100 points for the S&P. I do have this put option that I bought, and right now we're currently down 6.35%. But as you can see, it recovered quite a lot, and I don't know how Monday is gonna do. If Monday is another really bad red day, then I'll be able to capitalize on that. If it's not, then it's whatever. But let's go over the portfolio. Square stock at 38.30, down 4.78% today. Past week is down 22.23%. Past month down 55.06%. Past 3 months down 39.7%. And in the past year, it is down 51.05%. I have 16 shares, average cost $61.66. I'm down 37.89%, which is $373.80. Next one is Facebook at $148. Down 2.22% today. In the past week is down 2.73%. The past month down 31.65%. Past 3 months down 28.4%. And in the past year it is down 10.65%. I have 9 shares. My average cost is $177.86. I am down 16.79%, which is $268.72. Next one, Nvidia, down 3.39% to $203.53 today. Past month down past week down 3.65%, past month down 34.93%, past 3 months down 15.38%, and in the past year it is up 11.32%. I have 5 shares at $193.60. I'm up in this 5.13%, which is just $49.64. Next one, Uber. Uber is at $21.40, so for 4.10% today. Past week up 6.2%, past month down 47.8%, past 3 months down 29.81%, and the past year it is down 52.44%. And I do have 44 shares at $34.02. I'm down 37.09%, which is $555.18. Next one, Roku is at 75.55, down. It was up 2.71% today. Past week up 1.14%, past month down 40.63%, past 3 months down 44.86%, and past year it is up 13.81%. And I do have 18 shares at $118.85. We're down 36.43%, which is $779.43. Next one, IIPR, Innovative Industrial Properties, up 15.76%. In the past week, down 6.2%, past month down 43.6%, past 3 months down 15.9%, past year it is down 34.09%. I have 20 shares, average cost of $103.68, down 42.35%, which is $878.16. I actually really want to average down on this. I'll probably buy some 1 or 2 shares of this on Monday. If it stays about the same price, I'll probably buy 1 or 2 more shares. Next one, we have Aurora Cannabis at 75 cents, which is at 10.32% today, up 7.74% in the past week, down 56.38% in the past month. 3 months down 64.7%, and the past year down 91.92%. I have 40,646 shares, average cost of $1.85. I'm down 59.07%, which is $5,090. Next one, Canopy Growth is at 1160, up 9.23%. Past week, up 22.62%. Past month, down 46.54%. Past 3 months, down 41.59%. And the past year, down 74.67%. I have 124 shares. Average cost is $22.78. I'm down 49.07%, which is $1,385.89. Next one, AMD at $39.41. It's down 0.53% today. up 0.60% in the past week, down 32.56% in the past month. In the past 3 months, it is down 11.6%, and in the past year, it is up 43.1%. Next one is Apple. Apple is down 6.35% to $228 past week, down 5.73% past month, down 29.33% past 3 months, down 18.73%, and in the past year it is up 16.72%. I have 3 shares. My average cost is at $242, and I'm down 6.14%, which is $44.78. Next one, Shopify at $344.99, which is up 4.08% today. In the past week, it is up 1.40%. Past month, down 36.43%. Past 3 months, down 12.19%. And the past year, it is up 68.78%. I have 1 share. My average cost is at $335.09. I am up 2.95%. Next one is Microsoft at $136.50, down 3.76% today. Past week, down 2.5%. Past month, down 26.99%. Past 3 months, down 13.67%. And in the past year, it is up 14.23%. I have 3 shares at $137.56. I'm down 0.77%. And last but not least is Planet Fitness at $33.92. I have 6 shares at $50. And it's down 33.14%, which is I'm down 100. But let's actually do this. The past week it's down 25.91%. Past month down 61.44%. Past 3 months down 54.23%. And the past year it is down 49.81%. One that I'm really looking forward to buying is Tesla. I'm waiting Tesla to go below 300. If it gets to 350, I'll buy 1 share. I want to get. Ultimately, I would love to have at least 10 shares. If I can get more than that, that would be beautiful. Anything under $500. If it can go to $300 in the short term, I would love it. And then as slowly as everything starts getting back to normal, I'll want to keep buying until it hits 500, then I'll stop. I want to get to about 10 shares of Tesla. I want to get to 10 shares of Tesla before it starts rebounding back. That's the goal, to get to 10 shares. That's the goal. But other than that, guys, that's just a little quick update for you. I'll bring another video on Monday. But other than that, please drop a like, subscribe, turn post notifications on, and